Yo, 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 what's happening, guys? Welcome back. Sorry about that, but we back. Hope everyone's having a good day. Happy Monday. Yeah, so I want to go over pretty much everything that I'm looking at today. I did take a setup on ENA, which is what I want to discuss with you guys quickly. And then there's obviously a lot of tokens that I'm looking at today. Market's looking quite decent for altcoins, especially. Bitcoin kind of just ranging, but for altcoins especially, some are looking quite good. So I want to speak about those altcoins and then potentially some setups for the day. Okay, so I'll let you guys know what I'm looking at for the day, but let's get straight into it. So, good day, good day. What's happening, guys? What's happening? So with the whole ENA setup, okay, so this setup right over here. The reason why I like this setup so much is because we closed above this previous level. Okay, so if we look at this on the, let's have a look over here. Okay, so if we look at this on the 4-hour time frame, right? So basically, price was trading below this level here, around about 0.7577. Like this key level, this resistance block has been trading below here for multiple days, right? So since the 10th of August until now, right? So almost a month where ENA has been trading below this level. Okay, so now that we're starting closing above it, the probability of us actually taking out the next key level is most likely, right? So I did put a key level over here around about 0.8, and then we have 0.83, and then potentially a little bit higher than that as well. Okay, but for the setup, basically it's like a breakout trade. It's on the 4-hour time frame, so this trade could take a lot longer, but I do have a lot of conviction in terms of this trade because we are taking it on the higher time frame, right? So we're not taking it on the lower time frame, but it might take a little bit longer. Okay, so we did break above this key level. We broke above this bearish fair value gap where we couldn't break above multiple times. So the probability of us going higher from here is more likely. Okay, so this trade is what I'm looking at for today. I did enter the setup. I do think that we can potentially get a push to at least the TP1. TP2 is at that next high over there, which is possible. But for now, I think ENA, as long as we do hold above like 0.76, 0.759, we should see continuation. Okay, so that's the whole thought process behind ENA. I do think that it's going to be, it could be a good setup. There's also a few other setups that I want to go over, like SWI. There's also Pepe. There's a couple trades that I do want to go over here, guys. So I do think ENA is looking super good this morning. Let's have a look over here. So SWI, guys, remember last week, I am still in SWI, guys. I am still in SWI from last week. Remember, we bought at this buy zone, right? So our entry for SWI was literally like right over here. We got in at 3.18 for SWI. But my whole thought process for this now is, okay, so we in this trade already, okay? But in terms of, adding to the setup, I want to see a 4-hour candle close above 3.422, okay? And I've spoken about this multiple times. Where's the Telegram? Yeah. Where's the Telegram? Yeah. So I've spoken about this multiple times. If we go to the Altcoin analysis, right? Where's SWI? So we entered at 3.858, okay, from last week. Yeah. If we go back in time here, you can see that I've been keeping you guys updated in terms of like what I'm looking at. But essentially, if we go back to the beginning, so we entered at 3.818, and the whole thought process was we still need to close above that key level, right? So the key level is 3.4221, right? And this key level hasn't changed since last week, right? So I'm not changing my key levels. This is still the exact key level that I'm waiting to actually add to this trade. So I will be looking to, maybe place like another order if we do close above this level today. So make sure you guys are already on the Telegram group. But in terms of like right now, we are still below this level, right? You can see how many times price has closed respecting this level. So we need to see price close above in order to see continuation, okay? So for now, kind of just waiting, right? Just waiting to see what happens here. But SWI looks super good here, I'll be honest. So we're probably going to look for a bit of a long today for SWI, okay? Took Zora at 0.75, high, low, and breakout. Beautiful. What's happening, guys? What's happening, Nico? What's happening, Shill, Keith, Vivek? We'll go over Zora as well. But yeah, so basically, guys, I'm going to look to actually re-add to this trade here, potentially just open a new position here, and look for a nice little long here for SWI, even just to this level here, and keep this one running, because it's literally a risk-free trade right now from the lows, okay? So Sui's looking super good here, guys. So just watch out for that. And we've got like 27 minutes left as well. So beautiful. Beautiful. Look at ENA here. We should see a pop here. I missed the entry before. Can I re-enter if it stays around that level? For SWI, if you're talking about SWI, then we need to see the 4-hour close above 3.422. But for ENA is still valid right now. So ENA is a still good entry to go long. I am still in this trade here, guys. So I'm in ENA right now. I'm in SWI from last week still. I am still in ICP. If you guys remember, we did enter ICP as well. But yeah, if SWI can close above this level, guys, I'll be honest with you. Then we can look at a long here. If SWI can close above here, so we got 26 minutes here. 26 minutes until we get this close. If we close above this level, you can see how beautiful these levels are like reacting, right? So every single time price is not closed above there, so it's not a valid setup. So like for my trading style, I need like certain candles to close above or below certain levels. So I'm kind of just sitting on the sideline waiting for SWI to actually do its thing, right? Because then it's the nice thing about like my trading style, well, I guess everyone's, but it's, you know, if the candle doesn't close above the level, then I don't. Yeah, it freezes. Yeah, I need to sort out the stream because the Wi-Fi that I'm in right now, it's just not it. The Wi-Fi right now isn't working too well, but it should be back. But essentially, what I was looking at for AVAX was just a 5-minute breakout here. It keeps getting cut, yeah. Let me try to see if I can fix it. Yeah, I know. I don't know why it's doing this, bro, honestly. 1 second. Is it working now? I don't know, like my Wi-Fi is just not working. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, guys,